like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm the one who did the gameplay, so you can remix this video. And also you can remix this video because you don't even know how to remix this video. If you see the remix video here,